Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into GALA once again for 15 February Tuesday. Join the Discord guys. Please join me into the Discord if you want some quick updates over text as well. Now here we are with the GALA, and I'm gonna actually tell you something that I find, and it seems like GALA is actually trying to go back to 38 for some few reasons, and then from there you continue to the 43, which is going to be the 0.618, this price level. But let me tell you guys one thing: if you actually cross this level, back tested, and hold the 0.618 like a boss, you're looking to go to the $2.3. That's your next technical target potentially out of this one. Now there's one thing that tells me that GALA is about to get very, very, very bullish, and right now on the you see down at the right bottom, I actually turned the log scale. Okay, so this is a log scale. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it off, and there's a different pattern that's gonna form up. Let me just show you that. So here's the log scale turned off, here's the log scale turned on. So it actually gives you two different charts. Now if I turn off the log scale, we are very bullish, and I'm gonna tell you why. If I now drag based on the log scale, actually I'm going to tell you why I turned the difference between turning on and off. So here we are with the log scale actually turned on. So what you can see is that you had a touch here, one touch there, and then you went up, came down, and now you're just moving from this sideways movement right there. So what I'm going to do is turn off the log scale, and now all you see is that we're actually below that resistance, but this line is not correct. This line is not correct. You're gonna have to redraw the line, and turning off the log, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna actually redraw this one and get as many touches as possible. So here we are, and look what happened. Look what happened after the log scale is turned off. So when the log scale is actually turned off, what you did is nothing else than you break out, back test the trend line, and you've bounced off the trend line. Now you're above the 0.236. Even if you're to come down a little bit, you're going to be at the 31 and holding the 31. Simple put. The downtrend, based on how the log scale was looking like, is wrapped off. It's finished, over. There's no downtrend. At least as at this point that I'm recording, the downtrend has been terminated. Simple. All right? Take the gun, you've killed it. One more thing is you made left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. And that's a bullish pattern, and I'm going to tell you the technical target out of this one. So this is going to be your neckline. So remember guys, you're going to have a little bit of a resistance nearly this price level, 0.34, 0.35, 35 cents basically. You break out of this technical inverse head and shoulder from the top to the bottom right there, from here to here. Look where you're about to go. You're about to visit in 0.54792, and that's actually a very, very nice, lovely percentage, like a 15% increase after you break the neckline. Of course, you haven't broke it. You really haven't broke it. But one thing that is so positive about it is that you've already crossed the downtrend. That's simple put, and that's actually very, very bullish. But I'm actually gonna go back into the old log scale chart right now, right there, and what I'm going to do is dive into the 4-hour time frame, and I noticed that there was a potential falling wedge, and I'm going to show you this falling wedge right there. So this was like this one, and from there to there you had something like that. So you broke out of a falling wedge. What's your technical target? Back to where you formed that wedge, which is going to be 0.39. So yes, you are on a technical journey to go to the 0.39, and if you do that, you're breaking the neckline. That's amazing. So what you will do is go to the 3.9, come back to the 3.5, or maybe hold the 3.6, and then boom, you go and continue for that 60% jump to the upside. So every single thing right now is clicking and connecting and telling me that it's bullish once again. It is what it is on the charts. It's not bearish. When it was bearish, I told you it's bearish. I don't have a biased view. I just tell you what's on the charts. And look at this. We're about to make a bull cross. Do you see that? The 55, the 10, and the 20 are about to cross as well. Anytime you see the signal of a bull cross, that's it. You push to the moon. So for me, guys, that would be amazing to see $2 per GALA if you actually try to go to the 0.618, cross the 0.618, and boom, you're putting yourself on a technical journey to go to the $2.3 as well. So that's it for today's update. This is looking amazing. Thumbs up to GALA once again. And yep, enjoy the ride, enjoy the show. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.